Stop with your hands. Away from the fool.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Sat down to eat with Cotton Eye Joe, chicken in the bread pan, scrapping out dough. 18 feet of ice and snow, the roof caved in on Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I'd have been married a long time ago if it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe. With a ball-peen hammer and a 2x4, gonna beat the devil out of Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I fell down and stubbed my toe, all because of Cotton Eye Joe. Hold my guitar, here I go, I'm gonna dance a Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Okay. Have fun here today. And come back real soon.